Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. We are gonna have so much fun. Today is another fall decorate with me. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my kitchen first and then start putting some decor out. I am so excited to be getting some more fall decor out. It just makes my house feel so cozy and warm and inviting. We're also going to be doing my dining area, which is over here on this side today. So make sure that you hang out and get your fall inspo. All right, y'all, let's get started. So here's a quick little peek of everything that we're going to be using to decorate the kitchen and the dining room with. This stuff, I already had all of it. Here is my harvest sign from last year, if y'all remember that. The bowls are new this year. I finally found the bowls that go with the plates from Dollar Tree. The pitcher is from Dollar General. I got that this year. This is from Dollar Tree. I showed you in my last video on my haul. A lady that I clean for, she always makes me something so sweet. She got me this pumpkin and she made me this hand towel. She also made me this hand towel, so pretty. And yeah, I think everything else I had from last year.
I was kind of glad to put all my summer decor up and just take a moment while the counters were kind of bare and just, you know, like really dig in and give everything just a great wipe down. It just made my kitchen feel so much better. My countertops were not like caked in food or anything, but that, you know, like whenever you cook and things get that kind of just greasy, weird film on them, it was kind of like that. So I needed to take some time and just give it all a good wipe down with some cleaner and some hot water. All right, we are on to the fun stuff of decorating now. So excited for this part. You also get to watch me almost break my neck trying to wipe down and decorate this area. This area in my kitchen is just, I don't get it. I don't get the construction of this. It's so weird to me how that cabinet or shelf is like way in the corner there. It is so hard to reach. So whenever I decorate, I like to leave the things up there for a while because it's just such a pain to decorate, but it always adds such a great pop of color and a great place to decorate, but it's just a pain in my rear. And it's also really hard to get like a good camera angle up in there, so just bear with me while I get this done and then you can see how cute it turns out.
Day 2, and the reason why it's day 2 is because my church had a choir concert and I was trying to cram as much recording in as I could before I had to get dressed and go to the church for the concert. My husband was playing sax in the choir concert, and he was singing at a couple songs, so I did not want to miss that, obviously. And plus our choir is just, you know, it's fantastic, so I didn't want to miss that concert. Anyway, so yeah, I was running short of time. As you can see, it's now nighttime, and I've had such a long day. I am so tired. However, I'm gonna get this decorating done because I'm tired of all the bins and stuff sitting around, and I just want to get it done and get my house back in order, you know, all the things. Also, if you hear a saw in the background while I was talking, my husband is outside in the garage and he is making me some wooden lanyards for my front porch for my fall decor, and they are so pretty. So I'll give you a sneak peek of one of them, but I cannot wait to use them. So he's making them out of wood, and I'm gonna stain them so I can kind of use them year round, but they are from my fall front porch, and I am so excited to be able to use those. All right, y'all, let's quit talking and let's get to decorating.
If you've been around my channel for any time, you know that Matt has a favorite memento from his childhood. It's sitting on top of my refrigerator. It's a cookie jar. It says Cookie House on it. And it just brings him so much joy, and he does not want me to get rid of it, and he always wants me to leave it out in the kitchen. Our grandkids, when they come, they always ask if they can have a cookie out of the Cookie House. So I have to keep it in here even though it doesn't match, so that's why that's sitting up there, but it's using a purpose as a stand so I can stand some stuff up against it. It is still in my kitchen. It is still incorporated. You just can't see it as well this time. Anyway, I just thought it was so funny that I still kept it up there, but you can't really see it, but it's still there. It's still there. I have incorporated it. are finally down to decorating my dining room table. I am just so sorry about the yellow light that is casting off my chandelier over my table. Most of my lights in my house are the white daytime, which are perfect for filming, even if it's nighttime, but this chandelier has yellow lights in it, and I hate them, but I have to compromise with my husband. He likes yellow light, and I like white light, so just bear with that. Anyway, I love how my tablescape turned out, except I cannot figure out a centerpiece. Last year my table was a lot bigger, and so I had a really pretty centerpiece, and this year I just cannot figure out what to put in the middle. So I need your help. Please let me know in the comments what you think I need to put in the middle of my table. I was thinking maybe just 2 candlesticks or something like that. I've tried a lantern. It's just too big and overwhelming. So please let me know down below if you think I need a centerpiece and what that might be.
So I told you I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the lanterns that my husband was outside making for me. They turned out so good. They're not finished, but this is what he made me. Look how big they are. So he made me 2 of them, one to go on each side of the porch. We're going to stain them, and then you know, I'll style them out there. I'm so excited to use these. I think they are so pretty. Make sure that you're subscribed and you have the bell turned on so you'll get notifications of all of my upcoming videos, so you'll see my fall porch decor video. All right, I'm going to show you the final results of my kitchen and dining room decor now.